Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's start the video. So open your browser and search MySQL community server. And you will see the official site dav.mysql.com. Click on the link. Here the page opens and as you scroll down you will see Windows MySQL installer. So click on go to download page. The below installer size 427.6 MB. So download this one. You don't need to log in or sign up, just click on no thanks, just start my download. As you can see, download has started, and after this run the setup. This will appear. I already have a connector installed, so I will install other products by clicking on add. So I will install server, workbench and MySQL shell. Firstly server, then workbench, after this the shell. So connector I have already installed. If you want, you can install one. Just simply click on next. Execute all the three. This will check your requirements and start downloading them. After download complete, this will appear, and click on I agree the terms and conditions. And install. Click on the close button. You can also check the status. Install done. Then click on next. Now execute. These all are ready to install and will install number wise. So I will skip here. So after this completes, click on next. Click on next, and you can read high availability, type and networkings, and simply click on next button. So here is MySQL root password. Enter a password, re-enter the password, and if you want to add a guest user you can add one. I'm not going to add, so click on next. Standard system account, click on next, and now execute the configuration steps. After the execution completes, you can click on finish. If you like this video, click on like, share and subscribe to our channel. share this with your friends. Click on finish, and now next start MySQL Workbench and MySQL shell. So click on finish. I hope you enjoyed the video. So like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel for more related videos.